Greg, thank you. As 2018 nears its end, we here at CBS 4 have put together a collection of stories that impacted Floridians, our South Florida community, and our reporters who covered them.
Hurricane Michael barreled into the Florida Panhandle last October as a monster Category 4 storm, and CBS 4's Ty Russell was there waiting for it.
One of the stories that impacted me the most in 2018 was covering Hurricane Michael in the Panhandle.
I can't get home to my family.
I had just started here at CBS 4. I was back in South Florida. I'm from here, and I lived through Hurricane Andrew, as many of us did. And being sent to the Panhandle and experiencing Hurricane Michael, I saw a lot of similarities.
Couldn't have this open.
We were inside a hotel when the roof started collapsing, the pipes started bursting, water was leaking. I mean, people were screaming. However, we still had a job to do. That's why we presented the reports right after the winds died down. Being with the people who lost homes, who didn't have power for days, there was no cell phone service.
Everything that we saved is gone. It just looks like there was no second floor. We had no idea what to do.
You can see daylight through my bedroom roof.
It was an interesting experience there, and I'm so thankful I got the opportunity to share that experience with so many people in the Panhandle, especially here in South Florida. We know all too well about hurricanes.
We sure do. And Hurricane Michael killed 29 people across Florida, Georgia, North Carolina, and Virginia. In the Florida Panhandle alone, the storm caused nearly $4.5 billion in property damage.